Hello everyone. Today I have come here to speak a few words about a very special person. As a matter of fact, I was a teacher. Now let me mention the time, somewhat 2 decades, or if you permit me to say, it's more than 2 decades ago. I was a teacher of a very reputed English medium school. It's AG Church, Ukhra, situated in a semi town. Now, that was a joke with my students. I always used to call Ukhra as a remote village and my hometown Durgapur as a metropolitan city in the classrooms. Apart from jokes, it's a semi town in Paschim Bardhaman district. And in that school, I used to teach a lot number of students. They were dear to me, they are dear to me, and they will be dear to me as long as I live. They are like my sons and daughters. Now, among these students, some were very naughty, some were bit less, and some were quiet as usual. Out of these people, now all are dear to me. Some are reputed doctors now, some are engineers, some are professors by profession, some are teachers, some have joined corporate sectors as lawyers or in some other posts. Well, there are lots of them, hundreds and thousands of them. Out of those, today I would mention a very naughty chap, Lal Mohan Pandey, a very cute naughty boy. At that time he was in class 7 and probably he was with me right up to class 12. I used to teach him in the class. Yes, I was his class teacher for 1 or 2 years, and even I used to give him private tuitions also, Lal Mohan Pandey. At present, he is not that cute little one or cute naughty one, what I would say. अभी वो बड़ा हो गया है. Oh, I beg your pardon, I have switched to the national language. Anyway, Lal Mohan at that time was not a very studious student. He was not very attentive in his studies. But for some unknown reason, I had a very special affection for Lal Mohan. In fact, for all my students. Today I am mentioning Lal Mohan for some special reason, but all my students were, are, and will be dear to me. It's not that. But Lal Mohan was not so good in studies in those days. I don't know how. Maybe he gives the reasons. He will be able to give the reasons. I don't know. Lal Mohan in these years, now he is in his mid-30s. I am speaking of my student who was in class 7 or 8. He was in his teens. Now he is in his mid-30s. Please mark it. Lal Mohan has almost become a monk nowadays. Now, personally, I feel very proud. I told you all that the engineers, the doctors, the lawyers, the professors, the teachers, all the established students of mine, Lal Mohan is one of them, definitely. Now, I feel proud for all of them. Today I am going to mention Lal Mohan. He has posted in Facebook a poem written by him. लाल मोहन ने आज एक हिंदी कविता फेसबुक में पोस्ट किया है, उसका अपना लिखा हुआ. और ये बात सही है कि मैंने ही आग्रह किया था. I only approached him that Lal Mohan, you should recite one of your own poems in the Facebook. He was very shy in the beginning, ही स्टार्टेड टेलिंग, सर क्या करूं मैं, कुछ मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है, ऐसा कैसे किया जा सकता है, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. वी स्पोक अ लॉट इन हिंदी एंड अल्टीमेटली he agreed to my proposal that Lal Mohan, you should post one of your own poems. Lal Mohan has become a poet, not only a poet, I would say, he has almost become a monk. And many a times he has referred that his character, his character, building up of his character is somewhat made by me and teachers like me. I am not a monk. I write a bit of poetry and music is my passion. For that only I am posting this at late night. Otherwise I would have done it. I should have done it in the afternoon when Lal Mohan posted his poem, and that also he referred to me that for my request he has posted it. But I must mention that actually I was busy in some programs, musical programs, every day, today, yesterday, day before yesterday, every day somehow or the other, the Facebook Live and so on, virtual concerts. My students and my friends know very well that music is my passion. But what I mean to see is that what is my main motto while I come in front of you is that Lal Mohan's poetry, Lal Mohan's poem, and his vocal expression made me feel so proud as a teacher. Definitely, I never what to say. I'm not like Lal Mohan. Lal Mohan is a much more advanced personality as compared to me. As a poet, as a person, I consider my student Lal Mohan as a much more advanced in philosophical and other aspects. But then to say, whenever I move to his lodging, whenever I move to his house, he used to say that my guru has come today. Aho bhag mere jo Guruji aap padhare. In this way he used to say. He used to speak to his wife, his children, his mother by telling that this is the man who made me what I am. Whatever I have learned, whatever philosophy I have learned from him. But I don't admit it. Lal Mohan was a born philosopher. वो बचपन से ही उसके अंदर वो सब था. हाँ, दिखाई नहीं देता था. अब वो बड़ा हो गया है, उसके अंदर से वो गुण उभर कर आया है. वो जो कवि बना है एक दिन में नहीं बन गया, बचपन से ही उसके अंदर वो चीज़ था. आज वो जो कविता लिख रहा है, एक कविता नहीं, बहुत सारे कविता बच्चा ने लिखा है. हम बच्चा ही बोलते हैं उसको, अभी बड़ा हो गया है. किंतु वॉट एवर ही हैज़ रिटन, दैट इज़ नॉट रिटन इन वन डे. He has written it for, he has started writing probably from his teens only. And every time he refers to me that, sir, you were the person who inspired me the most in most of my creativity. That's my pleasure. Definitely I feel honored while Laltu or Lal Mohan speaks in that way. तो लालटू बेटा, जुग जुग जियो मेरे लाल. तूने जो किया, मैं तो एकदम गदगद हो गया. So for this, actually, previously also I told that I relate all my students as my sons and daughters. So I would like to sing a very special old Hindi film song, sung by respected Manna De. Actually, that song was referred to, sung by a father referred to his son. एक बाप गा रहा था अपने बच्चे के लिए, अपना जो लड़का है उसके लिए. तो लालटू भी तो मेरा लड़का जैसा ही है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू सिंग अ फ्यू लाइन्स फॉर लालटू. तुझे सूरज कहूँ या चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज दुलारा. तुझे सूरज कहूँ या चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज दुलारा. God bless you, Lal Mohan Pandey. God bless you, beta. हज़ारों साल जिए तू, हज़ारों साल जिए तू. It was a great pleasure to hear the poetry from you, and as you referred my name, I really feel very happy. I really feel very honored, Laltu. I really feel very honored. खुश रहे बेटा, खुशी से रहे. Thanks to all. And I would like all my students of AG Church Ukhra, in fact all my students, not only AG Church Ukhra, all my students to hear that poem. I have also shared that poetry many times in the Facebook. आप सब लोग उस कविता को सुने ज़रूर. लालटू ने जो लिखा है उसका अपना कविता वो खुद रिसाइट किया है. इज़ वेरी नाइस टू हियर फ्रॉम हिम. आप लोग प्लीज़ उसे सुनिए. हाँ, थैंक्स टू ऑल.